I'm Madan from Nitya Meenakshi of Institute of Technology, Bangalore, currently pursuing my third year in ECE. And for the second round of TechView, I've chosen IoT as a domain. Under that, I've chosen IoT-enabled smart systems for a smart city. Let's take a smart city requires a whole new level of electronic ecosystem, lot of devices connected, interconnected, and it's not that in a day we can explain about all these things. So I've chosen mainly three main ideas which I think is important and cool. And those are GPS enabled smart traffic system for ambulance, a long range RFID based tree detection and protection system, and smart garbage bins with reward point system. Let's take a deep look into these ideas. Firstly, GPS enabled smart traffic system for ambulances, and I've noticed a lot of time ambulance being stuck in traffic due to the signal, and sometimes there are people who are good enough to move despite of the red signal and help the ambulance, but most of the time it doesn't happen. So I came up with this idea for smart traffic system. It basically consists of a transmitter and receiver kind of thing. The ambulance would have a transmitter and receiver in its roof, which is powered by micro solar module devices, and all of this transmission and receiving happens through LoRaWAN modules. What happens is that the ambulance would be sending a beep, a junk message, once in 2 seconds. If the ambulance is inside the geofence of inside the geofence set by the receiver and transmitter in the traffic signal, it would immediately ask the traffic signal would immediately ask the ambulance for its coordinates, and as soon as the ambulance gives its coordinates, it will check if the coordinate is inside the geofence which the traffic signal has sent. Now, what is a geofence? It is an imaginary or a digital fence that is set up inside a route, such that if any GPS coordinate comes inside the fence, there would be an action triggered. So in this idea, I have set the green signal as a trigger, such that if the ambulance is inside the geo fence, the green signal would be triggered and the ambulance can move smoothly. And as soon as the ambulance is out of the geo fence, the signal would be reverted back to its normal functioning, such that there would be smooth movement of ambulances in the city, especially in city. And the next idea that I have come up with is long range RFID based tree detection and protection system. There are a lot of, we too share a lot of story in social medias that we shouldn't cut trees, we should protect trees, but that just goes away with the social media. And I thought of an interesting idea to protect trees, especially in city, that it is to embed the mid high part of the tree with active RFID chips. Now, what is active RFID chips? We know RFID tags in cloths and stuff. Whenever we go out of the shop without removing the tag, it gets detected and there's a beep, right? Is that the detection system? And RFID is mostly known for short range detection, but there is also something called active RFID chip, which has a small button battery which is used to increase its range. And that active RFID chips, along with ultra high frequency RFID detectors, if they both are combined, they a huge distance of detection can be done, like around more than 56 feet or more than 58 feet. So the idea is to set up these UHF RFID detectors inside the city in main areas and embed the mid-high part of the tree with this active RFID chips. You need not replace the battery, like once in a year you can replace the button cell. So such that if the tree is cut, or if the RFID, when the tree is cut, so normally the RFID chip would fall off right along with the tree. So the detection, the UHF RFID, the ultra high frequency RFID detector would detect that and say that the tree is fallen. It would immediately alert the authority through GSM, through transmitting the data about the trees in GSM. It will also have a regular check every day if all the trees are in position, if any tree has fallen or not. If any tree has fallen, it would immediately report it to the authority. With By embedding the tree with RFID chip, we are also giving a new unique identity to each tree, right? We have seen many times that there's a number written in tree for its unique identity, but I think this is the digital age and smart city and stuff is going on. So I think it's cool for trees to have their unique IDs too, such that if the tree falls off, immediately if the detector reports that such so and so ID tree has fallen, and they can put that ID in the database and check, okay, where is this tree, at which area, when was the chip embedded in the tree, and everything. And that's it for this idea. Let's go for the next idea. Smart garbage bins with reward point systems. We have seen a lot of ideas on smart garbage, IoT enabled garbage, and what I have done is I've done a bit of change to that idea by adding this reward point system. we all know that we are so excited or more determined to do something as soon as we hear that there is some reward out of it. So I thought, why don't we apply that for garbage collection? I propose an idea or a design of IoT enabled garbage bin powered by rechargeable batteries that have sensors to sense wet and dry waste, along with sensors to monitor gas emission in the bin. When the bin is filled, the bin will contact the authority through LoRaWAN transmitter. Since the authority that collects the garbage is not so very far away, it might be far away as 5 kilometers, but there are LoRaWAN transmitters such as RA02 series of LoRaWAN transmitters that are very small and are still able to transmit data to a very long distance such as 10 kilometers and 12 kilometers. By using LoRaWAN, we can eradicate the need of internet or data transmission. And I said about reward, right? Now let's get back to that reward part. How does this reward part work actually? Each user will have to create an account and collect their respective RFID card or band from any mobile centers. We can set up mobile centers for giving them these RFID cards or bands, and our centers, like we can just tie up with Bangalore one in case, just like we register for Aadhaar, like that we can register for this card. And before they're dumping or their segregated garbage, the person would have to bring their RFID band or card near the RFID reader in the bin, and the bin will recognize the user. Now, according to the amount of garbage that the user has put in, there will be points rewarded for him, right? And with that points, the person can use that RFID card or band to claim that points in public places like buses, railways, and government run shops like Nandini milk booths, especially in Karnataka and in Bangalore city ranges. And the last part of this idea is transparency. And I thought of another small idea of setting up a small LED OLED indicator in the bin, such that there will be some profit out of the garbage also, right, while we recycle. So I thought, why don't we put up a small OLED indicator such that when the garbage is being recycled and the profit is made, yeah, the points will be increasing in the garbage to the, and at the end, when the amount of money spent in putting up these garbage bins, yeah, I do know that this is very much costly to put up these garbage bins. When the amount of profit we get from recycling is equal to the amount of money that was invested on the bin becomes equal, there will be a badge displayed on the OLED screen, such that okay, this bin has given back all the money that was put in it. This was just a small idea that I came up with for transparency in the profit of making of profit through this smart garbage bin through recycling. And here it is the end of all these three ideas. And I thank Tech Rio very much for giving me this opportunity to put forward my ideas. Thank you.